The homeownership myth. They told you buying a home is the goal, the American dream, the sign you made it. So you saved, you sacrificed, you bought the house, and then the bills started. Mortgage, property tax, insurance, maintenance, repairs, every single month for 30 years, and not $1 of it produces income. Here's what nobody tells you. Your mortgage is only the beginning. Add the tax, the insurance, the maintenance, the repairs. By the time you add it all up, your home is costing you over $3,500 a month. Not $1 of that builds income. Every dollar goes out, none comes back. Run the math. You buy a $420,000 home, 20% down, that is $84,000 out of pocket. You borrow $336,000 at around 6.5%. Monthly payment, principal and interest, $2,100. Over 30 years, you pay back $760,000 on a $336,000 loan. That means interest alone, close to $430,000. And that is before the tax, before the insurance, before every repair. Add those in, you are looking at well over $1 million for one house. That does not pay you $1. They told you your home is an asset. It is not. An asset puts money in your pocket. Your home takes money out of your pocket every single month. That is the definition of a liability. Yes, home values can appreciate, but you cannot spend appreciation. You cannot pay bills with appreciation. To access the value, you have to sell. And then you need somewhere else to live. The house keeps you trapped in it. Here is what an asset actually looks like. An asset produces income without requiring your time. A rental property, asset. It produces cash flow. A content system, asset. It produces income while you sleep. A business, asset. It produces income from systems. Your home, not an asset. It produces nothing. It consumes everything. The mortgage keeps you in the job. You cannot leave. You have a payment. This is not anti-home ownership. This is pro-math. If you want to buy a home, buy it with system income, not with a salary. Here's the order. Build the system first. Let the system produce income. Use that income to service the mortgage. Now the house does not trap you because you are not dependent on a job to pay for it. Here is the math. $2,000 a month in system income covers the average mortgage payment. Build the system first, then buy the house. In that order. Stop chasing the house. Start building the system. The house is a reward, not a starting point. The system is the starting point. You do not need to rent forever. You need to build first, then buy on your terms, not the bank's. This week, if you already own a home, calculate your total monthly housing cost. Mortgage, tax, insurance, maintenance. Now ask, what system could I build that covers this cost completely? If you do not own a home yet, do not buy until your system covers the payment. The mortgage reality check is in the pinned comment. Total cost calculator, 30-year true cost breakdown, system versus mortgage comparison, all of it free right now. Get the PDF. Start this week. Most people will watch this and keep saving for the down payment because that is what they were told to do, and the house will consume them for 30 years. If you don't build the system first, nothing changes. Not in a year, not in 5 years, not in 10 years. Nothing changes. Next episode, season 1 finale, the 10 illusions destroyed. And most people will stay exactly where they are. Nothing changes unless you do.